Cloning a website. The steps involved in cloning a website is, first of all, take the backup of the PHP files and the MySQL database from your old site. To take the backup of the PHP files, use FTP. Part 2. Use some software like EchoByte Replace and replace the old database name, username and password from the PHP files. Next, upload all PHP files to your new website through FTP. The last step involved is create a database in your new hosting and upload the backup after changing the login credentials. Now, this is my old site and this is the database of my old site, and this is my new site, and this is the hosting of my new site, and here I have not created a database yet. Now, first of all, take the backup from the old site. Here it is my backup. These are the files uploaded through FTP. These are PHP files, and this is MySQL database backup. To take the backup of MySQL table, select the table name. Now click on Export. Change nothing. Here you need to enter the database name. Keep all values as they are. Select no one. Click go. It's downloading the XML file depends on your internet connection. Once you see the download file, click save and save it to your desktop. The download file appears like this. Now the second step involved is use EchoByte software and replace old database login details with a new one. How we can do this, we see in the next video.
Hi friend, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for sharing. Bye.